stealing my dog.
Darcy's been up a while. I've been up a little bit. There's so much to do today. So Darcy basically cut her leg off while she...
You guys want to see who's the skin?
Ew. Wow. Good job. So proud of you.
To the 60, or actually, I'll mark it. Right there. Okay, I see it.
Look how deep.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he's definitely in there.
Hey guys, I just got out of the shower like literally a minute and a half ago, and we're at the dollar store looking for some marshmallow cream, so. Apple Jacks. Darcy.
That's a good
You used to be so pure, Darcy. Now you're just a little extra. I don't know what you're trying to gain from being so mean to me, but I've kind of had it. But I didn't help carry
that woman had.
anything.
That's the crackers that woman
Was gonna steal.
Wow. Lunch. We're cutting that out.
Okay, guys, we're gonna feed my Venus with an ant. We're gonna go mini golfing.
We're mini golfing, and right now I'm winning because Darcy can't get anything past the 6. But
I'm fun. Oh. Oh, no way. No. Oh.
That would have been so cool.
Cute.
I don't make that, I'm gonna be so upset.
Oh.
Aww.
No.
Oh. Oh my god.
I won.
You cheated.
I don't. You got 2 hole-in-ones and still lost. She had 66, I had 50. She sucks. We're leaving this park thing. It's really hot if you can't tell by my face. Look at me, up there. I remember you said sometimes you're lost in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Okay guys, we had a little, why are these tilted? Whatever. We were gonna go bowling, but then maps were stupid and we couldn't figure out how to get there. And then we just said no. So Walmart. We're at Walmart. Don't know what we're gonna do. A flat moo. Do you ever just peek a flat moo? Peek a flat moo? Do you ever just do that sometimes? Hey guys, we're gonna go bowling in Aberdeen. I'm gonna win. Wow.
First time driving over a bridge.
Wow. We're heading back because we didn't think that the bowling alley would be closed on the 4th of July because we're dumb, so. We just got McDonald's. Darcy paid for my food, but you think they gave enough ketchup? Where is it? We asked for some and they put like 60 packs, so. Hey guys, we played mini golf again, and now we're in downtown Maysville just to walk around and chill until fireworks.
There's
Inflatables. Can't find a parking spot. There's too much going on.
We love America. Oh, that's just a truck.
Parade's starting, and Darcy's been singing for the past 30 minutes. We ordered a large pizza. A large pizza.
It might be too hot to eat this.
Oh, yeah, it's kind of hot. That was a mistake.
Yes.
Comment what you're doing.
Yeah. I guess they found out where my mixtape was. Remind me of Trump.
Comment down below if you're a Democrat. Or it doesn't matter, we're all friends. So I guess the parade is like over. Or basically over. So 2 hours until fireworks. Hey guys. We're walking down the street wasting time. I would film my face, but the sun's kind of blinding, so. Cute little things. Darcy's gonna get some funnel cake. So Darcy's getting funnel cake, and you probably can't hear what I'm saying, but that's okay. Darcy didn't get funnel cake because there was a lots of people. Somebody said I looked like Pootie Pie. Hey guys, we just went into a shop called The Chameleon, and it was really cool. It had like, I don't know, a little bit of everything. Hand-painted rocks and everything. It was nice. Wow.
Well, I want to give me that Samsung S10.
So do I.
Hello, video. This is Jill Noel.
Introduce yourself.
Jill Noel, Portland Live, Maysville, Kentucky.
I get.